Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video I will share very simple topic but very useful. The person who are using Excel, Microsoft Excel for their everyday life, I will share here the how to use inward function in Microsoft Excel. If you can use inward function in Microsoft Excel, then you can convert any number into words. Here uh, I have uh, developed a inward function. This is add-ins. You know, everyone know what is add-ins. I have developed inward function as a add-ins with VBA code. I will share how to use this add-ins. See, if you want to use here inward, there is no function. There is no inward function. No inward function. Whenever I use this add-in function in Microsoft Excel, then you can find here inward function and any type of number you can convert into word. Let's see how can I use my inward function. How can use it? Go. I will go file, option, add-ins. Go. See, this is system generated add-ins. I will add my inward add-in in here. I will copy this file. I will keep it in location. C drive, user app data. I'll go here, roaming Microsoft add-ins. See add-ins. I will go here and just I will keep my function here. See the path here. C drive, user app data, roaming Microsoft add-ins. I just keep this inward function add-ins here. Now I will go back my Excel and I will add this inward function. I will go here, option, add-ins, go, browse, see inward, add-ins inward. Just I will select it. Just select OK. See, I will find here inward function. Just I will select this one. This is very interesting and it is very useful. See here, go inward. See, even you close this Excel and open new Excel. This add-in inward function will present also here. Go. It is permanent solution. See, this is very interesting and very helpful. If you want to see the VBA code, then you can go to custom ribbon, developer, I will share the VBA code here. This is my function, add-in function in Words. So the person who want to use this add-in function and want to found these add-ins, I will share these add-ins in my description link. You can download from here. I will request you, if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you.